In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable compatibility mode Steam. So first, go ahead and make sure Steam is completely closed before you do anything else. If it's still running in the background, just exit it fully so none of its processes are active. This helps make sure the changes you're about to apply actually take effect without anything interfering. Now once that's done, you'll want to navigate to your Steam installation folder. This is usually located on your main drive, often inside program files, and you'll be looking for the Steam directory where all the core files are stored. Take your time finding it because this is where the main executable lives. Once you're in the folder, look for steam.exe, and when you find it, right click on it and select Properties. From the Properties window, click into the Compatibility tab where all the launch behavior settings are stored for the program. Inside that tab, you're going to see a few checkboxes, and one of them is the compatibility mode option. What you want to do here is uncheck anything that says run this program in compatibility mode 4, because that's what can interfere with how Steam and its processes run normally. Go through and make sure every box in that section is turned off, especially compatibility mode for older versions of Windows, since that is the main setting we want disabled. Once everything is unchecked, move down and click apply, then confirm with OK on each window so the changes are properly saved by Windows. After that, you can close out of all the windows and Steam will continue running normally without compatibility mode affecting it in the background. This basically ensures Steam is launching cleanly without any old Windows compatibility layers interfering with how it behaves, which can sometimes fix small issues or odd behavior when the client is opening or updating. And that's it, a quick way to make sure compatibility mode is fully disabled for Steam so it runs the way it's intended, and now you're all set to launch it without that setting getting in the way, in most cases now.